Chuhi Developers, with its innovative vision and quality construction, has set many benchmarks in the real estate industry. Bhumika Residency is the latest project of Chuhi Developers, situated at Kalamboli, Navi Mumbai. Kalamboli, neighborhood of Mumbai, is one of the fastest growing locales of Navi Mumbai. The biggest McDonald's outlet in Navi Mumbai is also situated at Kalamboli. NH4B highway that runs between Panvel and Gujarat separates the residential and commercial land. Bhumika Residency is an iconic structure that promises to become a new landmark for not just the city but the entire region. And that's why a home in Bhumika Residency is the one that truly complements your accomplishments. Bhumika Residency is a prosperous residential complex. It is a 15-story apartment of 2 and 3 BHK flats on plot number 21, Sector 20 at Road Pali, Kalamboli. Bhumika Residency is constructed in a way that beats all previous benchmarks of this segment. Quality construction, architectural excellence, lush vegetation, best location, premium and hand-picked amenities at Bhumika Residency give surety for a red carpet lifestyle. Bhumika Residency is specially constructed for those who worship sheer sophisticated and urban living. This beautiful piece of land is a host of world-class facilities. At ground floor, a glittering lineup and stilt parking area provides you ample space for convenient parking. On the very first floor, a charming garden refreshes your breaths. Right on the first floor, a state-of-the-art gymnasium with steam bath is built to take care of your fitness. Each apartment in Bhumika Residency is endowed with exclusive and premium amenities. Location comes on top priority while choosing a home. Kalamboli, a neighborhood of Mumbai, is one of the fastest growing locales of Navi Mumbai. The ideal location of Bhumika Residency gives you a perfect reason to be a part of this majestic township. The place is in close touch with market, colleges, schools, playground, stadium, railway station, restaurants, hospitals and banks. Moreover, perfect location of Bhumika Residency is an assurance of a smart and safe investment. Bhumika Residency is a place where you live your imagination. This masterly constructed residential complex successfully achieves the heights of your expectations. Bhumika Residency, a paradise of happiness where the fire flows with the fragrance of existence.